Hello, and today I'm going to talk about the basic intro to YouTube and how to upload your own video and also edit your own YouTube channel. Okay, so first this is the YouTube page, and then you need to sign in. Okay, sign in. So after you are signed in, and this is your personal YouTube account, and now we are going to create a YouTube channel by clicking here and create a channel. Okay, get started. You can use your name and you also can use a custom name. Okay, so add channel name, I understand, and then create. Okay, your channel has been created and you can upload your profile picture and add your channel description. You can also add your website, your Facebook link, Twitter and Instagram. Okay, set up later. Okay, so in here let's upload a video by clicking here. Okay, select file. So let me upload a video for you. Okay, when you are uploading, you can edit your title, your video title. Okay, you can add your description, your video description, and you can also add your own thumbnail by clicking this upload thumbnail. Okay, and is your video made for kids? So you need to select is your video made for kid or not. Okay, for me it's no. Okay, after that you can click next, and then you can select, you need to publish your video as public, which is everyone can watch your video, or private, only you and people you choose can watch your video. And unlisted is anyone with the video link here can watch your video. Okay, I'll save. Okay, this is your YouTube link, YouTube video link. And you also can click here and get a shareable link. Okay, your link copy, and in here you can also edit your video detail in here. Okay, you can add a tag like how to use. Yeah, more option. In here you can select your video language, so it's English. Okay, save. And analytic, so the analytic is you can see how many people view your video here and watch time, your subscriber. Okay, how many like and dislike. Okay, and the editor, you can edit your video in here, editor, and this is the most basic editor lah. So you can trim. So I want to cut this. Okay. Split. You can split. Okay. And the comment. Okay. You can view your video comment in here. You can also add subtitle to your video by clicking subtitle, and then you can click add here, or you can add more language. Okay. Okay, in here you can edit your subtitle. So create new subtitle. So you can edit in here lah, your subtitle. Okay. Let's go to the setting, and then you click manage your YouTube account. So in here you can add or remove manager. So in here you can add manager to your account to manage your YouTube video. Okay. And you can click customize channel. You can change your YouTube channel banner in here. Okay. And also the profile picture. Okay, so YouTube is free, so you can upload your own video. Okay. So you also can click public in here or private. Okay, thank you.